Come on.
Just finished up the run. Bang on 7 a.m. right now. Getting ready to head to the Leader Summit. It's about a 55-minute drive from Columbus. So it's absolutely horrible weather outside. I don't know if you guys can hear the windshield wipers going on right now, but one of them has just flown off my windshield. And it's supposed to rain all day. Good, feeling energized, see how long that lasts. Got coffee, so I'm excited to get there. I got to meet Allison at 11 after that, but I'll get some footage from the event. And yeah, looking forward to it. Wish for a safe drive here.
1 hour later.
Found a place to park. Got directions. That guy was actually really helpful. It is raining so hard. The weather is awful right now. Yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a good event. I'm getting all the content I can today. Gonna be on camera all day. So I'll share some footage from inside, but we are all parked, set, and ready to rock and roll. Let's do it. So I'm here with Ronnie Frank at the CYP Young Professionals Summit, and he has a couple interesting takes on what makes a good website. So I want to ask him, what makes a good website for a business?
User experience for sure. Just making sure the website is intuitive and making sure that it's kind of easy to tell where you go without having to look around so much, with as little clicks as possible to get to where you want to go. And in terms of design, the two rounded corners are so essential. Like, I see so many websites that look like they were designed in Windows 95, and I think
I can echo that.
Yes, definitely that are the biggest things for me. Designing a website and making sure what company to choose, and how easy the website is. Thank you.
I tried mixing protein powder with my coffee this morning, and I kind of jerry-rigged the Keurig last night because I didn't have any K-cups. So I used a makeshift coffee filter out of a towel, and it did not work. And the protein powder didn't mix, so I'm drinking clumps of sand inside my beverage this morning. But it actually tasted really good, but it's just, minus the texture was not there. So yeah, like I said, day's off to an interesting start, but it's gonna pick up here soon.